Plan, design, build. We are going to see difference between plan, designing, and building. Most clients come to our office when they want plans, and we usually tell them there's a lot of things that go with planning. Planning is broad, it encompasses preparation, mental build-up, purpose building for your vision, making sure that you have something you want that you are going to put into design. So the planning part is beyond us as the company or the designers or the architects. It is more of the client who wants something that he wants to be designed. So the planning part is organization of what you want, is building a vision of what you want, is forecasting what you want to reach at as an individual or as a client, so that it can be put into paper, or it can be put into a model, or it can be put into an artistic impression. That is the part of designing. Designing is getting your plan that you have prepared or you want into what you want properly, how it is going to be organized, how it's going to be completed, how it's going to look, how everything is going to be positioned. Now that is the designing part. So the planning part is bigger and wider. The designing part is just summarizing the whole plan into a drawing or into a building, so it becomes a designed plan that you have got. Then finally, the building part is the execution of the plan that you have designed, that you have approved, that you have finished, that is ready to be executed. So that is the whole journey that we go through. And for those who want to get more about plans and the designing of them and the approval and execution, don't forget to check on our website www.archbuild.ug and contact us for more about that. On this site we are on for our clients, we have been working on him. He has gone all the stages in our company, which is a planning, where he had a vision that we put into design. We designed it into what he wanted, made artistic impressions of how the house would look like, then approved the plans for him. Then later we went on and went to building, which we are doing more this year. Those who want building, we are doing more building of the plans that we have designed. So where we are now, we are on the slab, which is part of the building part or execution of the plan which was designed. So we believe that that is the whole journey you go through if you're going to have a successful project. So far the project you see here, we have already spent around 250 million, and we believe that more clients this year will achieve their dreams through our system of plan, design, then building. The benefits of undergoing the whole system of planning, designing, then building, especially if you use our company, it is that you get prepared to know how much money you are going to spend. For example, this house that we are building, we had a concrete bill of quantities that we gave the client from what he designed, from what he had planned for, which was around 430 million. The client was able to prepare his finances so well. We faced it to know that the foundation was going to take 120 million. We knew that the slab is going to take around 130 million. Then we knew that other roofing would take around 98 million. Then other wall and other parts, the gutter and everything would take the balance. So we had to break down each and every part that was planned and designed so that he would prepare financially. So before you start the project, when you have done the plan, design, and the build whole system done, you are able to control your finances, the sources, and you are able to be organized as we start. So the client we are doing for this project is already prepared to reach at least at the roofing stage with one of the best roofing materials, so that he has his shape of the house done for the first phase of the construction. Most of the times, clients who do not plan properly, design properly, and also have a proper system of building end up not finishing their projects. That's the error that you may meet or you make if you don't plan until you control all the costs that you are going to meet in construction. One, we usually tell you construction is tanky, it takes a lot of money, it can collapse all your finances. So you need someone to have planned for you properly so that whatever you're going to execute, you have a proper purpose for it, you have thought about it, it is what you want, it's not a hearsay, it is what you have designed and put on paper. Then have a controlled bill of quantities that you are going to follow, which someone who is a contractor like us as a company are willing to adopt. We sign a contract, we agree together on payment terms so that we are able to control all the prices. One thing I've learned from all the projects we have done, each and every client who has gone through this system has got one goal: to make sure his project is complete and executed as designed. So that is one thing that you could miss if you don't go through planning, designing, then building under a controlled bill of quantity. For those who want a plan designed so well for it to be executed, or the building part of it, don't forget to come to our offices, that is Akibuild Construction Consultants in Nabisunsa, www.akibuild.ug, where we share plans that we have done, where you can purchase a plan online, where you can outsource materials for construction. And this year we want to help over 5,000 people to have their plans approved, to have their dreams built, to have their dreams designed. So don't forget to come, and we'll give you best offers, we help you out in this journey so that we all be successful in our plans, in our designs, and also in the execution part of design and build.